Fifth grade, fifth grade. I have Monday vibes again. Like legit, I have really bad Monday vibes. I know it's Wednesday for you, but you know, the struggle is still real. Okay, today we have lesson 4.5, problem solving, multiply money. I know you thought that we would be done with chapter 4, but I did tell you that I might go back to do some lessons. So we're actually gonna go back to lesson 4.5 and then we're gonna go to chapter 5. But this is just because I really want you to do problem solving and especially problem solving with money. So let's go ahead and start reading it. Page 177. A group of friends go to a local fair. Jason spends $3.75. Maya spends 3 times as much as Jason. Tia spends $5.25 more than Maya. How much does Tia spend? And it says, use the graphic organizer below to help you solve the problem. So before we even start, we always like to analyze our problem and figure out what we need to do first before we even start to do any number crunching. So it says, what do I need to find? You need to find the amount that Tia spent at the fair. Again, you need to find, and you can fill in the blank, the amount that Tia spent at the fair. What information do I need to use? I'm going to read it to you and you're going to fill in the blanks. I need to use the amount spent by Jason to find the amount spent by Maya and Tia at the fair. Again, in the blanks, you're going to put Jason in the first line, Maya, then Tia. And how will I use the information? I can draw a diagram to show the amount of money that everyone spent. Again, on the blank, you're going to write the amount of money everyone spent. Now, they have a graphic organizer there for us, but I'm going to actually show you guys a way to do it that, for me at least, is a lot easier. I'll show you, I guess, the way that they're doing it, and then I'll show you my way. Okay, here I have kind of what you guys have already. We have Jason, who spent $3.75. We know Maya spent 3 times as much. That means we have 3 times more than Jason spent. Now, Tia had the same thing, but she also had $5.25 more. Okay, I filled in all the boxes. Clearly, I didn't care about the numbers as much as the other ones. Sorry, but you can still understand them. So here we have all of this. One way that you could do this is you can sit here and add up all of these amounts together. So you can add $3.75 plus $3.75 plus $3.75 plus $5.25 to figure out how much Tia spent. But this is my way, and I think it's a lot faster than sitting here and adding all the numbers. We know that it's $3.75. Okay, and we did that times 3. So let's go ahead and multiply. Okay, here I have $11 or $11.25. I haven't done my decimal places yet, so I need to count. 2 loops. All right, we have $11.25. Now, there was one amount that was a little bit more, which was the $5.25. All we're gonna do is we're gonna add that amount. So I'm going to line up my decimals. Awesome. And there is our amount. Tia spent $16.50 at the fair. Okay, on to page 178. It says, try another problem. Julie's savings account has a balance of $57.85 in January. By March, her balance is 4 times as much as her January balance. Between March and November, Julie deposits a total of $78.45. If she does not withdraw any money from her account, what should Julie's balance be in November? Now again, withdraw means to take out money or a minusing, and depositing means to add money into your account, which is adding. So let's start off with the side. Let's read the problem, analyze it. What do we need to find? You need to find the balance of Julie's account in November. So again, Julie's balance in November. Julie's balance in November. That's what we're finding. What information do you need to use? You need to know her starting amount and how much she put in every month. So again, starting amount and how much she put in every month. And how we'll use the information, you can draw a diagram. So you can write that if you're going to draw the diagram, or you can say that you're going to multiply and add. So again, you can draw a diagram or you can multiply and add. Here I have kind of what you should have if you're gonna do the diagram. I have the box. January, we started with $57.85. So in these boxes, you're gonna have each one of these write $57 I'm sorry, my numbers look weird. Boom. Every single one of those has $57.85. Now for November, you have the same thing plus an extra $78.45. Now again, you can sit here and add $57.85 4 times plus the $78.45 to figure out how much we had in November, or you can just multiply and add. That's what we're gonna do. So we have $57.85 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now let's go ahead and figure it out. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna count our loops. Okay, so we found out how much she had in March. Now we just need to add the $78.45 to figure out how much she had in November. Okay, our total that she had in November is $309.85. On the very bottom, it says, so Julie's saving balance will be $309.85. And hopefully your numbers will look nicer than Miss Chacon's are today. You can go ahead and skip the bottom where it says, how does the diagram help you, blah, 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 blah. We're gonna skip that. And you can go ahead and skip numbers 7 and 8. Again, you will not be doing numbers 7 and 8 from the lesson. Do not do numbers 7 and 8 from the lesson.
Panda, 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 Panda Family Productions.
Parents of the 5th grade, Padres de quinto grado. Normally, I would show you examples of the lesson and give you an explanation, things to look out for. Normalmente esta es la parte donde les enseñaría un ejemplo o cómo hacer el problema o darles sugerencias en cosas que batallan los niños. Today, I don't have anything to show you. Hoy no tengo ejemplo para ustedes. You're doing the same thing that they've been doing all along. The kids are just multiplying however many times money they have and then adding a certain amount. I'll attach a video of things that I've taught in the past of how to multiply and add decimals and stuff like that, so that way you can just go back and look there. Hoy no tengo nada para enseñarles porque ya han hecho todo eso, han multiplicado los decimales y han agregado, y eso es lo que están haciendo. Lo que sí voy a hacer es que voy a poner un link para otros videos que ya he enseñado cómo multiplicar decimales y cómo agregarlos para que hagan referencia a eso. As always, parents, I am available to you via text message, via email, via Google Hangouts message. However you need to get a hold of me, I am here for you. Padres, como siempre, yo estoy disponible para contestar alguna pregunta o duda que tengan. Me pueden mandar mensaje por texto, correo electrónico, por Google Hangouts, como sea que me necesiten contactar. Yo estoy aquí para ustedes. Anyone else who is watching who is not one of my typical or enrolled parents in my classroom, if you have been enjoying the videos and if you would like to see videos on more content, please drop a comment below and I would be more than willing to make a video to help you out with anything that you are struggling with at home. Para alguien más que está viendo, que están batallando con algún concepto en la casa y que les gustan mis videos y cómo explico las cosas, por favor, déjame un comentario abajo y les puedo hacer un video específicamente para usted y sus necesidades. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Ojalá que tengan un día fabuloso.